Welcome back to the channel, guys. 2024 Denali Ultimate again. This one is pretty special. It's getting a 3-inch Cognito lift kit with the all-new fuel hybrid forged, or fusion forged is I think what they call it. This is gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna have Nitto Trail Grappler 34s on it. We're gonna do some mud flap delete kits so that there's no rubbing issues on the lower mud flap. That's always a problem on these trucks. Easy truck to drive every day. It's not gonna be too crazy high in the air, but it's still gonna have a nice stance to it. I think it ought to turn out nice. So if you're looking to do something to your new 2500 or 3500 HD, this is a good setup. It's a nice lower budget setup, and it also comes with nice shocks and a nice lift kit, but it's not way up high crazy in the air. You can drive this truck every day and get in and out of all the parking lots and drive-throughs that you want to go to. You can still get through the automated car washes and things like that, so it's not a huge deal, but it really does look really good on the truck. Nice presentation. Overall stance is really nice. The tires stick about maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches out of the fender. Not going to sling a bunch of dirt and mud up on the side of the truck all the time. The Denali Ultimate has this Vader chrome on the front that's very dark, and it doesn't stick out like crazy. I wish they would have matched the side trim with the same color Vader chrome, but GM didn't do that for us this time. 22x10 fuels. This is their new fusion forged Nitto Trail Grappler 34-inch tires with a 3-inch Cognito lift. We had to do a little bit of trimming on the front. Small amount on the front bumper right here. Very subtle. And then in the rear, we used the Sharp Truck mud flap delete kits that allowed us to not have to cut a lot back there. I drive this truck. Let me know what you think in the comments about it. If you have any questions, just call me at the shop. The number is 678-994-9180. Thanks for watching.